So I, having been appointed as council member of the Bor Community Representative Council,
having been nominated as council member of the Bor Community Representative Council,
do hereby swear by the Almighty God that as the nominated council member of the Bor Community Representative Council, I shall be faithful and bear true allegiance to BCYA's Constitution, and that I shall diligently and honestly discharge my duties and responsibilities in a consultative manner to foster the development and welfare of the BCYA, and that I shall obey, preserve and defend the Constitution of BCYA and abide by the law, and that I shall protect and promote the unity of the BCYA, and consolidate the democratic system of governance and preserve the integrity and dignity of the BCYA.
And to consolidate the democratic system of the government and preserve the integrity and dignity of the BCYA
and its people.
And its people.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.